Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to increase the virtual RAM in your laptop in Windows 10 or 11. So it would be very good if your virtual RAM is there. So it can make your system like a super fast. If you are using HDD, then it will definitely add values and it will make your system very smooth. And if you are using SSD, then it will be awesome. So let us go to the task to increase our virtual RAM. So in order to do that, what you need to do, you need to just search advanced systems settings. Okay, advanced system settings. So just click on the advanced system settings. So it will show you the system property. Alright, so you don't need to go to computer name hardware and just go to advanced. So in advanced you can see there is a performance. So click on the performance and click the settings. In the settings you don't need to do anything in visual effect. Go to the advanced, and in advanced go to the virtual memory and click change. So initially it would be like the automatic. Okay, it would be like that. What you need to do, you need to deselect the automatic and go to the custom. Okay, so in custom what you need to choose, you need to choose the initial memory as a RAM. So for example, if you are having a RAM of 8 GB, so 8 into 1024. Okay, this is 8129 MB. So I will put 8129 MB, 8192 sorry MB. Then maximum size would be in the multiple of 3. Okay, so 24,574, 24,576, sorry. So this is my customized things and put it as a set. Okay, so here your paging file size got changed. Okay, this is the thing which we wanted to do. Okay, so I will put a okay. Then it will ask you to restart your system. Once you restart your system, then your system will be super duper. So I will do the restart, and now your system is super duper. If you have any queries, feel free to post your queries in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.